to have the opportunity to do this for Judy, who did so much for our program, and to honor her in this way was really special. It was really amazing to have her family here. It was wonderful to have the whole team here, and it was great to have so many alums come back to share in it.
Here we go.
All right.
And let's stay straight here on the dock. All right, you're clear. Hands hold the waist. Push out here.
Oh, it's a great boat. It's going to be so fun to row this. This team is so excited to row it. So it's going to be great. It's new, it's stiff, it's well designed, it's got really light components on it. So it's going to ride very fast in the water.
Yeah.
You need to assure me that this is going to be, number one, a fast boat. And you better make sure there's a fast crew rowing that boat, because I'll be damned. I don't want my name on a boat if it's not fast, and I'm just going to come down there and peel my name right off of it.
Between the growth of this event and the financial support that we got to purchase this great new boat, it's been inspiring to see the strength of the rowing group when we come together.
For all of you out there who donated and really helped do the outreach on bringing those donations together. So again, thank you so very much. I just can't even express to you how much this means to me.
It's such an honor to be rowing in a boat, to have a boat dedicated to such a tenacious and fierce woman. The stuff that she talks about, she's just incredibly brave. The people that she worked with at that time are just incredibly brave, and she's such a fighter. I can't wait. It's going to be fun.